Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited about today's video. Why? Because I love popcorn and I'm going to be showing you all that are popcorn lovers. That's my core, my core popcorn lovers. I'm going to be showing you this mouth-watering recipe, the tips in making a very yummy caramel popcorn. So don't go anywhere. Make sure you watch this video to the end to see how I make my caramel popcorn. So all these are the things we'll be using for this popcorn recipe. The first one you're seeing there is the sugar. I have butter, I have water, I have the popcorn kernel and little vegetable oil. So let's get started. So to my empty pot, I'm adding some vegetable oil. Just little as you can see. The next is to pour in the popcorn kernel. Like guys, I made a mistake somehow by or I think this popcorn is much like the kernel I poured in was quite more than the pot should contain. Like it needs space so that everything can pop. So guys, after I poured in the popcorn kernel, I have to wait, like pop on a low heat. If not, it's going to burn. Like everything, it will not come out well. So you have to be very patient. So I waited for like 7 minutes, before the first one popped. And as you can see through the lid, they are doing well. It's just being kind. So please, at intervals, you come and like you shake the pan. It's very necessary. It encourages the corn to pop well. Just don't sit there and watch them. My people, if you're watching till this point, I know it means you love what you're seeing. It means you are enjoying the video. Please just click on the subscribe button for me. Thank you. And also give this video a thumbs up. Also share the video. So you can see that our corn is no longer popping. That to say, everything has popped. So it's time we transfer it to a glass bowl. Please don't use plastic bowl. Use a glass bowl or stainless bowl. So I'm using a tray. I'm using this tray to I'll allow it cool off a bit while I move over to prep to prepare the caramel. Keep watching, don't go anywhere. This popcorn will reach everybody. It will reach everybody. In fact, I've already set our movie room. It's going to be fun. So it is time for our caramel to be prepared. Please, I didn't use all the sugar in the cup, so I will drop measurements on the description box. So I just poured in the sugar. I'm adding little water because it's wet caramel. If it was to be dried one, like if I'm making a dry caramel, there is no need to add the water. Please, after adding the water, don't stir. Like, don't stir, because if you do, if you stir, it's going to cause crystallization, and we don't need that to happen here. Crystallization, maybe that is a topic I will treat next time. Crystallization will actually make it like, it will be like, as in, you feel like you are eating sand in the popcorn. Do you understand? Like, the sugar will crystallize, forming kind of a rocky stuff, So just don't stir, allow it to boil as it is. Just be watching. When it gets to the amber temperature, then we know it is ready. This is very close to what we are looking for. As you can see, it has changed color to a more golden brown color. This is what I'm looking for. It's good to go this way. So I've turned off the heat, then I'll add the butter. So I just added the butter. Now I'm going to be mixing everything properly. Mix and mix and mix. So I'm heating it up a bit now. Like, I've turned the heat on again. I'll heat it for maybe a minute or some seconds for everything to mix properly. So that is just what I am looking for. At this point, I'm gonna pour everything. You can use a bowl. I'm using a white something, and it's somehow difficult to mix together. I think using a bowl will be better, because some of the caramel will be lost in this process. So just pour it over your popcorn, and mix thoroughly. So the next thing, after mixing everything up, the next thing is to transfer it to a tray. I lined my own tray. I'm using a baking tray. I lined it with a parchment, with a parchment paper, so the butter and everything doesn't stick to the tray. I poured it on this tray to dry. So after it has dried, then you can bottle it, package it anyhow you want, or if you want to consume it immediately, fine, anyhow. So that is just how easy it is to make this caramel popcorn. I tell you guys, this popcorn is mad. It's so yummy, so tasty. Make sure you try out this recipe, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up and drop your comment for me. It is very necessary for me. It is very necessary. And share this video. I repeat, share this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.